Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? Welcome to number 10 in the series of readings from the Jamaican New Testament in honor and memory of my mom, Hyacinth Richards. We are now going through stories connected with the birth of Jesus Christ. If you are watching on YouTube, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and therefore will be notified whenever there is a new reading. And if you're watching on Facebook, please go ahead and share it with your friends. Share it on YouTube as well with your friends so that they can share in this experience of hearing the word of God in the Jamaican language. Now, today, we are going to be continuing the story of Jesus and Herod and all of that. If the Jamaican language is not the language that speaks most directly and clearly to your heart, then please feel free to follow along in a version or a language that does that for you, that speaks to you in the depth of your being. But if the Jamaican language, a fear language where you're born and grow with, then just listen while me read what God has said to you today from His word. So, Matthew chapter 2 from verse 13 to verse 23. After them going, one of the Lord angel them dream Joseph and say, "Get up, take the picnic and his mother and run we go Egypt. Tande till me tell you, cause Herod I go look for the picnic for kill him. So he get up, take up the picnic and his mother and left go Egypt in the night. And in Tande till Herod dead. That way there, what the Lord did use the prophet for say did come true. Him did say, "A out of Egypt, me call me boy picnic." When Herod see the wise man them did trick him up, him vex till he nearly bust. Him send out order and kill off all I boy picnic them where did in at Bethlehem and the place them where did they near Bethlehem. All I picnic them where did a 2-year-old and under 2. Him do that as according to the time when the wise man them did say them see the star. Then what the Lord did use the prophet Jeremiah for say come true. People did hear somebody a bawl in a ram. Them did a holler and a bawl loud. A Rachel did a bawl for her picnic them. And she no want nobody for usher cause her picnic them gone. After Herod dead, look you know, one of the Lord angel them no dream Joseph when in there Egypt. Angel say, "Get up, take the picnic and his mother and go on to Israel. Cause who did I try to kill the picnic? Them dead." So Joseph get up, take the picnic and his mother and go back to Israel. But when him hear say a Herod picnic Archelaus take over and did a rule Judea, in catch him afraid and they want go there so. And cause God did warn him off in a one dream. Him left go Galilee instead. Him come a one town named Nazareth and turn deso. As so come what the prophet them did say come true. As according to the prophet them are going to call Jesus one Nazarene man. A God word this. And when me I said to you today is this. Pay attention. Because maybe God or one of God angel them dream you. And if you listen, and if you line up with what in him word, make sure say uno do what God tell you to do. All right, at this so me done for today. Join me tomorrow again as we continue in the series of readings from the Jamaican New Testament. And until then, uno walk good and one love.